So, di nene di in this, kayang sem temper to penju tindu ki sem chame chila, taja taji nisu duba nyamte. So now the main point here is that according to Chit Matra, they just kind of believe based on their philosophical, establishment, just saying that there is inherently or truly existing a mind because it is the absolute truth, because it is existing in the ultimate enlightenment, or there is a just kind of mind is existing. So if that mind is like a truly and inherently existing, and it is kind of like a without any kind of like a parts at all, then that one truly existing that same mind cannot perceive another mind, because one thing is where it's a rangi rang la chao mini, which means uh, one one cannot just apply any kind of just activity to kind of oneself, itself. Same like as I say that I cannot just kind of apply that activity to see I itself. So similarly, kind of the ears hear the sound, but ear cannot just hear itself. Uh, so that here mainly the Madhyamika, they want to establish that there is not even existing a kind of like inherent existence of a mind, and that what the just Chitta Matras they are believing. So that way they are just kind of like refuting. So kang yudno na tingi ramelas. Kang manana when whatsoever that which is been perceived as object, then since it is object, so it is not yourself. So if it is not appeared, then it cannot be as an objective phenomena to be kind of perceived. So kang manana sunja mirik bes. Jan number shebe rang ba sheba yang takpa tamde yang tabo minno. So that according to Chittamatra, your philosophy, just saying in the absolute truth there is a kind of inherent existence of mind. It is just merely you are just expressing. But if we go through logical explanation, logical argument, it is impossible such kind of mind can be kind of ever existed. So it is not just kind of like a perfect philosophy. Then the Chitmatras, they are not happy, being because they are being, kind of like a refuted by, the Madhyamikas. So then now the Chittamatra again saying they are looking for another way to prove that there is a inherent existence of a mind in the absolute sense or in the absolute truth. So Samtambanari, Rangi Rang Ripani Chitime. So they are saying why there cannot be just the mind that which one cannot kind of perceive oneself. Jidar penna bumso shen sewar chibe marme tenin se seji ki ken shen la midyu bar rang sewar chiba te shin onsen. So they put an example. Oh, for example, like look at this light, or like kind of butter lamp. This when we just kind of light it, then that helps to see many other phenomena. At the same time, just it also can kind of like illuminate oneself. So why that kind of there cannot be a mind that which one can know kind of the mind itself. So then mami rangi rang sewa shiva diyang tanya tam le yang tabu main. Then again the Madhyamika they are refuting. Oh, you are saying that the light is kind of illuminating itself. It's also just relatively you are just kind of like expressing. but there is no real logic and it is not perfect. Because kanchir mamila mingi tiba mena te manme chidar sevanjo. So something illuminating is, before it is in darkness. Like when there is no, light, when it is darkness, then light just comes and then, illuminates the phenomena. But that the light is not been obscured by darkness. Whenever that light is existing, it's just existing as a light. So that if if the light is kind of like obscured by darkness, and then that light clears out that kind of darkness, then one can say it is kind of illuminating. But the light or candlelight or butter lamps, they are never been just obscured by darkness. They are always as a light. So, mm, in case, in case even there is no anything to be, kind of like illuminate, but still, if you say it is illuminating, or then this, candlelight can be, illuminating like a sun and the moon. Uh, but that which is, kind of like not possible, that which in the relative world, nobody says that candlelight illuminates the sun and moon. Shenyang mami rangi rang la chawa juna mimbe jang rangi rang tibatu. So in case you know, the light, kind of like have its own activity to, kind of light itself, oh, then it is also possible that darkness also have its own activity to, kind of like obscure the darkness. So if that happens, tadana bumso tong kek number timne, minana bumso no telo, then just the darkness, which kind of like obscures to see the, kind of like other, kind of phenomena, and that darkness is being kind of like cleared out by the darkness, then there will be always, kind of seeing all these phenomena, that there will be never ever have anything just kind of unseen. So in that way, they refute. Uh, so this is all anyhow kind of very logical, kind of dialogue and logical, kind of argument, and that there is no anything to feel like kind of upset or just angry or emotional, that or just somebody is refuting or arguing with the kind of them. It is here try to the Madhyamika, they try to just clear out all their kind of that attachment, grasping, clinging based on their philosophical establishment, whatsoever things they are clinging on, kind of like refuting with their logical reasoning. But then they are still not happy. Dida dinyam those. They are thinking, Seja Seja Shindu Mejang, Ranju Mue Savani Yede. Even there is even there is no something that which illuminates the other, but it illuminates, or there are such things that which is illuminate itself, or it is just kind of like appear just by itself. So for that now they apply this example. Penam bindu ngomon ne ranchin ju ngomon ni du nyeba yin las. They are saying the lapis, lapis lazuli, that stone, which is kind of like bluish in color. So that's saying, oh, that just look at it. This lapis, kind of like blueness, is not colored and not fabricated by anything. It is just kind of like the moment that lapis stone is appear or existing. It is kind of blue. So there are such things by its nature, it has its own kind of like a, kind of like a quality. So then shake of umbu jua wokshi ke rela so beteva to mind. So that lapis, kind of stone is not become just kind of like a, blue just because of some other condition. For example, like a, this like a crystal, white crystal. If you put on a kind of blue cloth, and then that blue cloth reflect into the crystal, and then it appears like kind of blue. So it is not like that. Lapis stone is not like that. The lapis is just by itself it is blue. So then so without depending upon somebody something to illuminate, just by itself there is something like a lapis lazuli, just blue, in its nature. So same like that. Shen lo tyo ne ngo she to ni ka ni yo ba ti shin do. Se je ni jang pin du tyo ba su da mi shi to bu dang. So that which like a light, that which illuminates kind of other phenomena, that they are just completely dependent on kind of like each other. For example, like the how mind uh, to perceive a phenomenon depend upon object, and to exist a object it depend upon just kind of like a mind, like a eyesight, that which kind of sees. So based on that kind of philosophy in the west or in the modern world, that I think that last time also we have gone through that, where it says like in a thick forest of Africa, and if there is no any human being, no human being, and then somehow a tree falls down. So when the tree falls down, does that tree have a sound or not? So if you say, oh, there is sound, then who hear it? Because nobody is there. If you say no sound, then it is impossible. Anything falls, it makes a sound. So, uh, so similar like that, here also, kind of explaining, if there is, kind of object, then it has to depend upon a kind of like a mind that which perceives. And if there is a, kind of like a, just a mind as like a subjective, subjective mind, then to be subjective mind, it must need to have an object. Without that object, it cannot become a subjective mind. For example, to become a father, one must have to have a child. Without having a child, nobody becomes a mama or papa. And if there is no mama or papa, there cannot also have a child, unless this modern technology, modern science creating all sorts of funny things. So, so that what kind of based on the relative existence of phenomena in a kind of logical reason to just understand. So seja seji pindun tade to tewa mejang ngoni ki sewa rang rikpa yang thong shena. So even though that to illuminate anything, by for example like by light, to illuminate anything, that even there is no kind of separate object to be illuminated by the light, but there are certain things just by itself illuminating, such as like the self. So in English, this rangrik means self awareness. So this is self awareness according to the Chittamatra. And then rangrik in the kind of like a so rangrik be yishi, that which is again known as the transcendental wisdom. And then rangrik in the Dzogchen, kind of self awareness about Dzogchen Rigpa. So there are three kinds of these three, kind of rangri. But here it is according to this, kind of chitta matra that saying, or mind anyhow just, illuminate itself, or mind, is aware of itself. So that way they are saying, still continuing to, kind of like hold that view that the mind is, kind of like existing, that the mind will just kind of illuminate, or mind will perceive itself. So then the again the Madhyamika, they are refuting their argument. Pe matu de. Your example is not kind of like a perfect. Video ngo shenla teme to ngo mainte. So in the lapis stone is not that not that depending upon, kind of like any other cause, and just by itself you are saying it is kind of blue. It is not correct, because ngombo nang ju jing ju toba shengi ngombo chaba inge, that even the lapis, how it appears into kind of like bluish color, also depended upon so many causes and conditions, and through that cause and condition it appearing in a kind of blue. It doesn't mean that it is just kind of by its nature, you know by its own, itself, just kind of like a appearing nature. It what's a blue, it's not that way, kind of like a true. So dugen shen chila yung mitu ba rangi rangi ngar ngombu mimbala chi ngombu cheba ni misito. So kind of there are, impossible that something that which is, kind of blue by itself, without depending on any other source or any other cause and condition, just by its just kind of nature, but just by itself, something just appear, kind of like a blue. So it's because lapis lazuli is also so much of different causes and condition assembled, and because of that, it has that, kind of appearing into blue. Chisi ngombu mimba tisi te rangshingi nguam nyamlas. So something that which is by its nature, it is not, kind of like a blue, then it is been kind of like a defect, that it is of, be appearing blue, because of, just because of its own kind of like a nature. Umbu ina te chushin undo songe chabge. So whether it is kind of appear blue or red or white or anything, that also just completely depend upon its own cause, that which makes to appear, just a blue or red or white or any kind of color. Without those, any specific color, kind of cause and condition, it cannot appear, in this way. Umbo rangi ji umbo layan chawani miseto. So blue by itself, that there is not possible, it just, kind of create or it exhibit as a, kind of blue. So that way they are refuting the, Chit Matara's example of the, lapis, that which is, kind of blue by its nature, that which is, not possible. And besides that, the meaning is also not, kind of accurate. Jaya madu de. Mamine rangi rang sewara chedo she. So you are saying that like a butter lamp or light is being just illuminating itself. Mamile shen tenri ki shebe she de chobar java ina. So okay, we say this butter lamp or light, it is illuminating, kind of the itself, or illuminating other phenomena, and that which possible to say that it is illuminating is, that there is a consciousness, there is a mind, that which knows that, oh yeah, this light, kind of illuminate. But but you are saying mind is just kind of like a illuminating, or mind is knowing itself, and then who knows that this mind knows, itself. So, uh, because that mind, itself cannot apply its own activity. That mind is kind of like a, kind of just illuminating, or mind is knowing, kind of itself. Uh, that which you cannot just kind of like express in the relative world in a logical way. That mind knows other, but mind, kind of like how it knows itself. Kangi jang shen ne tige choba ted so how the butter lamp just say, oh, butter lamp illuminate, or that just known by other mind. But the mind is illuminating, then which or how, other mind to know that mind is, kind of like illuminating. That you cannot, find itself. Sheba rangi rang se war shigin te sheba korang yin nam tele sheba shen shig yin. So then this mathematics just put, kind of two way of for option to, argue that saying. You are saying, oh, mind knows mind itself. So that the knowing, that subjective mind, that which knows mind, if that mind is itself or it is a different mind. So asking. So in case say that the mind, the subjective mind, that which knows the mind, if it is itself, according to the first option, then say it is not possible. Tambu miteti. Because that is the basis of our argument. Chitmatra and then the mathematical philosophy argument. That is not possible. So, Shebale, Shembe Sheba Shigi. So, then other than that mind, if you say that, knows that mind, then Shen Shigi Te Shegun, and then if you say there is a subjective mind that which knows that mind, then that subjective mind, that, also need to have another mind to know that. And then that subjective mind again need to have another mind to know. So then it will go on and on and on, just become, kind of unlimited. So it is not, kind of like a possible. So tume du judging shevarim misido. So it goes unlimited, and it is impossible that can just, kind of known, in that way. Uh, then in then in other words, if you say that to know a mind, to know a object, that so this, whether it is at the same time or in a different, kind of like a different, like a different time. So if you say that the mind, that which knows the mind, it is, kind of same time. The minyam namni gaba da majive yume je. Tu nyamba nani pindu tewa mebe shemezo. Then in the kind of like a this this Dharmakiti's kind of logic, where it says, if it is, kind of like a same time, then where the Tinyambala Chawame, so there is no activity that which is, kind of happen at the same time. For example, like mother and son cannot happen at the same time. Or so if that mind, that which is subjective mind knows, if that happens, at the same time, then there is no activity to each other. It doesn't work in that way. So if you think, oh, it is not at the same time, it is a different, time, then if the object is, in the past and subject is in the present, then they also don't have any relationship that they would not know. If the, object is in the future and subjective mind is, at the present, although they are, different time, there is no relationship. that not possible to really, kind of understand. So in that way, where you want to establish that the mind knows, kind of mind itself is, if we go through logical argument, by any means, it is not possible. Then come the showing the number shavatene rangi mitongla. So that is why that kind of that consciousness or mind cannot really see itself. Ranli shimbataye, and then beside that, other than oneself also cannot kind of like see or know that, just know that same mind. Mitu and na. Tetsalwa misawa shekevar chavane tumen. So that is why that something that which is not logical and that which is not going to work at all, that or that mind knows, kind of itself is however you try to establish is useless. It doesn't just kind of logically you cannot really prove in that way. Kechu tong manyo wala kevar ke che number shawa mochom di pumi tu lugin jingba tang tabni dita te tabu shawa tang rao. So something which the kind of like a basis of that phenomena is something that which is never existed. But then you are saying, oh, this kind of object looks like this and looks like that, explaining all those is just completely nonsense. For example, like, just saying the rabbit horn. Rabbit horn never existed, and somebody say, oh, this rabbit horn is this much long and very big and very sharp, and you kind of have some kind of design and some kind of like color. All those explanation is nonsense. Or similarly, like a, kind of like a, the barren woman's child. So barren woman's child is never ever born, never ever born. Means there is no such child. But then if you explain, oh, this, child looks beautiful, nice, sharp, smart and all those, it is all nonsense. Something which is never existed, and then explaining about is, kind of like completely nonsense and unnecessary. So that way that, Madhyamika saying, same like that, your, kind of mind, inherently existing, something that such kind of mind is never existing, and then you are saying it is illuminating itself, it knows itself, is like, like a light, like a, this, lapis lazuli, all those examples doesn't work, in this way. So in that way, kind of like a refute. Medo she mame se shen doni ki shiba ne she de chobar choba ina. Umburoni ji tanya matu tes. Yeah, keji toman de to dos. Yeah, then maybe just stop here because this place have a time limit, Time over. Yeah, so we do short dedication. Yeah, we do dedication.
Sononde damje zebani donani ve dana banje shin dega nanje balon dubai sebe zolen dronon doar shu rinchen jezo de doa tadu dambe chedam indrashin rangshin denye zogwa dajine Chunga Drube Jigden Dembar Shu Sanje Demba Darshin Jibar Shu Semje Damje Deshin Jibar Shu Ninda Zendu Chela Jibar Shu Rangshin Denje Lunje Drubar Shu Kunzan Doje Changje Menje Rinjen zawe lama yinchen chi droye dendo mela ganda pa deda tamjen danyin drubar shu chambal bawe jidra jemba don kundo sambo deyan dejin de denda gunji jezo dalo jin jewa denda tamji randu mo gandu jewi jewa tamji du tori yenden dunden Yaman dandun jidan denjiru ne Zushin rubi rawan yubar shu Deya lama dambi nijir ne Nindan zindu jila jibar shu Jido dene nyingbu dendrun de Deji jibi zolu gawar shu Siba dambi jiba denjir Shenben dula junga member shu Lajin shenden chori member yi Tamje zamje sanje dobar shu Jingro shayen deyang drashi shin Nyan drashi bawaran dalala Senyang drashi bawaran gilin li Ninzen dadu drashi dilin zu Yawa gundo yanda lamanda Drame jeje bala longje jen Sada lamje yende ramzo Goje janje goban nyurdo shu Benzo sada
Oh yeah, thank you.
Okay, tomorrow the teachings will start at 2, so kindly be seated at least 5 minutes before the teaching starts.